a member of City University of Pasay Alumni Association. Do hereby solemnly swear that I shall uphold and abide by the Constitution and the bylaws of the CUP Alumni Association. Exert my utmost efforts to support its projects and activities. Do my best to keep its good name untarnished by any act of mine, and adhere to all the principles and ideals for which the CUP Alumni Association stands. I also solemnly promise that in all my undertakings, I shall conduct myself in a manner befitting a worthy member of the association. Finally, I wholeheartedly pledge my full commitment to my alma mater,